Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lydia Isaac. So guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this smoked Nigerian mackerel fish. If you want to see how I did this, please do stay tuned and watch this video. Thank you very much. So guys, here are my 4 mackerel fish that I'm going to be preparing today. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to open the belly of the fish. You can see that. So I'm just going to take off all the unwanted particles inside the fish, and I'm going to rinse it very clean. So guys, while I'm washing my fish, I just want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to you all for showing me love. A very big thank you for subscribing to my channel, and also a very big thank you for you that is watching this video right now, because I know you're definitely going to subscribe to my channel at the end of this video. Thank you very much. I appreciate you and God bless you. So guys, I'm just going to properly wash this fish. There you go, my fish are nicely washed. So I'm going to use my salt to season and my toothpick to hold it up. I'm just going to sprinkle some little salt to give it a nice taste. So what you're going to do, you just open the mouth of the fish, you put the tail inside, then you use your toothpick to hold it up. That's it. I'm going to show you again. You open up the mouth of the fish, you put the tail in between, use your toothpick to hold it up. Voila, nicely done. So guys, that's how you're going to round up the fish, so it will be on that perfect shape. You know the shape, on that nice shape. Okay, so I'm going to preheat my oven right now. So I'm going to put all my mackerel fish on my oven tray, and please make sure you put an oven tray underneath so the water will be dripping out. That's it. This is 15 minutes of my fish being on the grill. So I'm just going to flip it over and leave it again for another 15 to 20 minutes. Depends on how you want it dry. Okay guys, please don't forget to smash that red subscribe button over there. Please help me to smash on it and subscribe to my channel. So that's how my mackerel fish came out. It's nicely done, it tastes great. Guys, I'm going to tell you, this fish did a nice job on my cold garri. I use it to enjoy cold garri, and I also use it to make my nicely delicious Nigeria egusi soup. Please don't forget to watch out for the egusi soup that I use this mackerel fish to make. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for helping me to share this video. Till I see you, God bless you